I've been mixing or dealing with mixing two-part polyurethanes since 1974. The guys have always been mixing them between their ankles, up on their heels, and getting it on their knees, getting it on the floor. This little gadget, simple as it is, will save OSHA problems and it will increase your productivity. It's going to stop your waste too. When you're doing a deck coating and you're using 5-gallon pails and you're mixing up 25,000 square feet in a day, which is realistic, this saves you a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of potential safety problems. It's a good idea. I do use and I will use the two-part, the bucket bracket. It'll save you time, save you energy.